So I'm completely drenching in rain here, having a lot of fun. What a place to do it in Gokarna. After a long time here, having a lot of fun in front of the beach. The beach is beautiful. The ambience is quite magnificent here. See the blue dark clouds in the far distance. Yeah, this is the site that I had come to see, to Gokarna. Oh, look at the scene from here, guys. I'm about to reach Kudle Beach, and from the top view I can see this. I'm super excited to reach there. This resort, we have the view of this beach. It gives a beautiful sight of the beach. So I've officially left for the trip here. So I'm in my Ola cab going to Majestic. From Majestic I'll be taking a bus, a sleeper bus to Gokarna. So I have reached Majestic here. It was almost an eternity since I last came here. I don't remember the last time when I came here, maybe 2 or more years before. So now I'm standing here platform number 5 and waiting for my bus. So this is the platform where I'm gonna get the bus. So I will go to Gokarna. So there's another 45 minutes to 1 hour for the bus to come. I've come here early. Boarded the bus over here. This bus is a sleeper bus, non-AC bus. You know, it has open windows with fresh air, and then it's a cozy place. I can sleep all the way till the destination. So this is our bus traveling from Bangalore to Gokarna via Shimoga, Honavar, Kumta, Sagar, etc. It's around 2 o'clock in the night here, and we reached Arsikere. It's around 176 kilometers. This is the usual bus stop where the buses on this route will stop in the middle of the night. So it's 4:30 in the night and we've reached Shimoga. We've covered a distance of around 270 kilometers from Bangalore. Probably another 200 kilometers more to go to reach the destination. So I've reached the destination here in Gokarna. So this is the route to the resort or the beach resort, whichever I'm staying. It's called Gokarna International Resort. So from here I need to walk down for probably half a kilometer or something to reach the resort. So I can hear the sea waves here. I'm seeing the sea after 3 years. 2018 was the last time that I saw any of the seashore kind of thing. So I'm in desperate need of vitamin C. So I'm very excited to see the seashore. Whoa, look at the scene from here, guys. I'm about to reach Kudle Beach, and from the top view I can see this. I'm super excited to reach there. So currently I'm walking down to Om Beach from Kudle Beach. So the path, I'm not taking the trekking trail because it's monsoon. I'm not sure about the trail and I'm solo. Hence I decided to take this road trail to Om Beach. The trails are all like this. They have shrubs all around, small shrubs, and no people around here. It's quite remote. But the color of the water matches somewhat with the color of the sky, hence we are not able to distinguish which is the sea and which is the sky. If that is the Om Beach, what I'm seeing from here. So you can see that there are some huts. I believe that is some kind of a resort or something. Some fancy resort, fancy stuff there. Definitely love to stay there someday. But now I'll be walking down to Om Beach. Even though it's raining here, kind of raining and all that, but still it's quite humid. Board. If we go right, we go to Kudle Beach. We go straight, we go to Om Beach. So I'm taking the straight road, giving me company all the way from Kudle Beach to Om Beach. You can see the beach over there. So I'm going down to the beach. It looks great when you look at it from the top view, that is on top of the hill. Look at all the greenery here. So much greenery. It looks like I'm walking through a forest instead of near a beach or something. That's the specialty of Gokarna. Combination of forest, hills and beach all together. Whoa, the beach from here looks like an absolute dream. This beach is called Om Beach because if you view it from a drone, from the top view, it will look in the shape of Om. That's the reason this beach was named as Om Beach. Even if you view it on the maps also, you can see an Om shape somewhere near Gokarna, and that particular part is the Om Beach. So now, because of the sun coming out, I guess they believe that the waters have become a little less choppy. So they are taking their boat out for a quick fishing trip. So just now finished the road trek to Om Beach and came back the same way. Now I'm here at Kudle Beach. So behind me is the place that I'm staying, the beach resort that I'm staying. So now I'll go in and check in because in the morning I didn't check in because the timing of check-in was 12 p.m. sorry. So now the time is up, so I'll go and check in. Once I check in, then I'll give the room tour. Nice seating arrangement. And then finally the main part. So see the view. This is the resort that I am staying. The resort is called Gokarna International Kudle Beach. So now gradually the clouds are again building up and then you can see that the sea tide is also changing. In the morning when I came, it was supposedly low tide. Now gradually the sea is rising, and the localites here say that the sea will come all the way to the steps of this particular resort. So as the evening sets in, the sea is gonna get more and more aggressive. Now it's also started to rain again. It's just drizzling, but I think looking at the weather, it's gonna start raining pretty heavily here. The localites are telling it was raining pretty heavily for the last 1 week, but today somewhat the sun had come out for a brief while. But again, I think it's back to the same weather. It has started to rain. It's like raining seriously heavily here. Absolute cats and dogs. Oh, the water is so cold. So I'm completely drenching in rain here, having a lot of fun. What a place to do it in Gokarna. After a long time here, having a lot of fun in front of the beach. The beach is beautiful. The ambience is quite magnificent here. In a short amount of time, it'll get dark here, and all the artificial lights are gonna turn on. Here we have the restaurants, pubs, etc. So only 1 or 2 lights are on as of now, but in some time the whole place is gonna light up. Just look at the ambience light up now. You still can see the sea. It's not completely dark, but the lights are on. We're in the resort. Actually feeling extremely cold here. It's hard to say that you are in Gokarna or any coastal region and you feel cold, but that's the reality. That's how the July month works. Good morning everyone. This is the second day at the Gokarna beach. It's a cloudy morning today. So in some time, in probably another hour, I'll be checking out of the hotel, and I'll be going down to Sirsi, and from there I'll be returning to Bangalore. Thanks for watching the vlog everyone. Do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon, which will give you a notification when a new video is uploaded. Do give this video a like if you liked it, so that it will motivate me to create more such videos going forward. Thanks a lot.